Hi, I'm Katia from City Microgreens, and I'm excited today to show you our farm in a box. This is our hydroponic farm starter kit system. So let me show you what comes in the box. So in your first box, you're going to have a Sunblaster stand. You're going to get your seeds. We use Mumm seeds. And of course, your Sunblaster LED light. Our second lid. And within this one, you're going to see your spacers. So you get 2 spacers per tray. This is the first set, and this is your second set. And lastly, you're going to get your amazing hemp mats. And we give you 12 so that, again, you're able to grow 3 months worth of microgreens. So let me show you how to assemble your stand and your light. So I'm going to start to assemble, and if I can do this, anyone can do this. I'm going to show you what we do with our tray. This is a 3-inch tray, and it, as you can see, fits perfectly underneath the light stand. Again, this is food safe, high quality, long-lasting plastic. You're going to use your first tray. Each tray comes with 2 spacers, and we created these spacers based on our testing, and we have found that growing microgreens, when you're using hemp mats, it's best that they're not right on the tray, the bottom of the tray, that if they're lifted, they're not going to get as saturated when watering happens. And of course, we're going to be using our wonderful hemp mats. These hemp mats are high quality, they're Terrafibre mats, and they've worked amazing with all of our grows, so we're quite happy with these. And so it's going to look something like that before you're ready to start to seed. So this is what it's going to look like when you actually get your microgreens underway and you're using this beautiful system. You're going to have your microgreens that are growing and under the lights on top. And then I'm using one of the lids to ensure that the seeds that are on the bottom that are in blackout are not affected by the light. And we have our peas underneath that are in blackout. These ones will be ready in about 3 days to go under the lights. These amazing broccoli microgreens in 3 days will be ready to completely harvest. So we've got a system where every 5 days we'll be able to grow more microgreens. So you're always consistently having microgreens available to eat. So that's our farm in a box, our starter kit at City Microgreens. If you've got any questions or comments, any feedback, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. Our email is citymicrogreenscanada@gmail.com, and we can't wait for you to try this out.